Yeah, I see a single scav.
Muslix. Running.
Yeah.
Got him.
Yep. Nice.
He got my leg like a mother effer though, so I'm popping back up here.
Okay, I got you covered.
The game has been super wonky lately too.
I'm glad you killed that guy because I completely biffed it and hit my mouse against my keyboard. He does not appear to have any friends.
Love the beard. Thank you, Hal. Thank you so much for coming over. You know what's funny is I get the opposite a lot of the times, man. People are like, I did not expect you to look like this. And I'm like, what? Really?
Hot take. Star Wars games overrated and lazy idea. Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know where that is.
I don't either, but I'm backing the fuck up because I'm hurt.
Sounds very far away. So he did have a buddy.
Yeah.
Oh shit, he's still shooting.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Still walking away.
I don't know where that was from. Best soldier.
Was that behind us?
I don't know. His buddy's in my chat right now, so I'm not gonna watch you.
Okay.
What killed me? AP slug. What? AP 20 slug got me there. You're saying you didn't have a buddy. What? It's to our left for sure. Yeah. Saw that. Sorry about that.